Okay. So come back to your breath, let the mind settle for a minute. Then think of a specific situation where you got angry. A specific person, specific situation. And then think of the other person or the group of people, whoever it was that you're upset with, and think, as much as I want to be happy, so do they want to be happy. As the wish for happiness and freedom from suffering is what motivates me all day, that's what motivates them all day too. We're all samsaric beings trying to be happy and not suffer. And so sit and dwell on that. Let that sink into the mind and think, imagine that person and just really think that's exactly what's going on inside of them. And it's just the exact same thing that's going on inside of me. So if I just take away all my judgment about what they're doing and just look at them and say, they're somebody just like me. They want to be happy. They don't want to suffer. And that is what is motivating them to do whatever it is that I find objectionable. It's not that they wish to harm me. It's they're trying to be happy, and at this moment, they are not happy. So here's somebody just like me, wanting to be happy, not wanting to suffer, and they're suffering right now. That's why they're doing what they're doing. Yeah, it's not that they want to harm. It's they're trying to be free of their own suffering, and they're confused. They don't know how to do that. in a way that will free them from their suffering. So they are taking it out by doing this behavior that I find harmful. So there, a suffering human being. Is anger an appropriate response to somebody who's suffering? No. What's an appropriate response to somebody who's suffering? Compassion. They're hurt. I know how much they're hurting right now because I've suffered also. And what they need is compassion and help, not my anger and revenge. And so generate compassion. Really wishing them well, because if they were free of their suffering, if they were happy, they wouldn't be doing what we find objectionable. They would be acting in a totally different way. So wish them also to be happy. So come out of meditation. I should add here that seeing somebody as suffering, and that as the motivation to be free of suffering, that's why they're doing what they're doing. If I respond with compassion, if I respond with love, wanting them to be happy, that does not mean that I don't hold them accountable. Yeah, you can have love and compassion, and for the other person's benefit, you hold them accountable with love and compassion, not with punishment. Okay?